And your life.
What's up? How are you?
What's up? I'm amazing. How are you doing, Amal?
I'm good, Shravan. What's happening?
Nothing, man. Work's happening, and I am glad that finally we could make this happen after I don't know how long, with all
Now
the electricity
there's
cuts that are happening.
the outage here. My Wi-Fi is also very infamous. Now it's everywhere. Comments में सब लोग बच्चे लोग लिख रहे हैं, सर आपका वाईफाई बाप रे बाप इतना खराब क्यों है? Time to catch the Wi-Fi guy and tell him to put some better services here.
Yeah, you need to do that. But like we were talking before we went live,
Yeah.
that how has the lockdown been for you, man?
Personally, it's been really beautiful, bro. I've gotten a chance to make use of this time. It's like a beautiful, mental break for a musician. Is you
Uh-huh.
can't even understand what it means. No one can, I think. बहुत जरूरी होता है कि after doing a series of things, you should take a
Uh-huh.
break. I managed to make good 25 very meaningful, heartfelt songs, and I'm very happy that I could do that. Really.
Yeah, which is काफी brilliant, no? But what is the thought process like, Amal? What is it? What does it take for Amal to, make the right kind of music?
I think good food, lots of sleep, and nature. I think if I'm in open spaces, and I
Uh-huh.
where I think right now is the place where I just produce my songs. I don't create them. Composition level पे मैं इधर बैठ के गाने नहीं बनाता. Terrace पे, गाड़ी में, घूमते घूमते. पहले तो सब खुला था तो आसान था.
Uh-huh.
So I've always made music like that, bro.
Uh-huh.
So that's how I am. I like to be let free,
Uh-huh.
and from there I create, and then I come back to this box and try to make music here.
But is there any, especially when you are growing up,
Yeah,
okay, there is this certain kind of songs that, kind of inspire you.
yeah.
And knowingly, unknowingly, you kind of make or end up making songs which are very similar to the ones that inspired you.
Truly.
Has there been any such specific singer from the past or music that you really love that inspired you?
So I made Main Raho Ya Na Raho, which is a tribute to my grandfather, and
Uh-huh.
the 80s and the time of music of Sardar Malik, Madan Mohan. Those kind of notes are there in Main Raho Ya Na Raho. A lot of people felt कि बहुत पुराना है, but I used a very contemporary, very, today's approach to the sound, and I don't even need to say, like, I think it's my most beautiful signature. Even when I don't do music later, or even maybe when the time is up in terms of life, also, we all got to like die and move out of this place. I know I've already made my signature through this song कि मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, ये
That's true.
गाना सब सुनते रहने वाले
But
हैं.
that song, that you spoke about, that song connected with people on a different level. I can remember being so addicted to that song that I would listen to it on loop for days because I don't know, that's how much I connected with the song. And I don't even know what was about the song that made me feel that kind of thing for it.
Thank you.
Was that the feedback that you got from a lot of people?
A funny one was when I was in New Zealand, a 60-year-old, 70-year-old uncle told me कि you made that song. मैंने सोचा कोई बुजुर्ग. I
You should.
said, and I was 25 when I made it. So a lot of people who heard that song thought कि Amal Malik was be some 45-year-old veteran guy. Like,
But you should have said no. Intellectually, you are a veteran.
अभी मैं वैसे ही इतना कुछ बोलता हूँ. तो मैं जो लोग मेरे साथ है, which is the masses and the audience, तो मैं उनको क्या बोलूँ? वो तो मेरे साथ तो क्यों like
Yeah.
what I feel is right. I never try to make the audience feel that they are not right,
Yeah.
because they are the final decision makers.
Decision makers. Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
if I've said, times about many things,
Uh-huh.
when something does well, you have to give it that the audience has put it out there. So
Yeah.
you got to accept that in any way. So मेरे को
That's true.
criticism भी आती है, young people say, and that's a very open relationship between my fans and me.
Uh-huh.
कि they be like, sir, baseline. There are people who listen. There are baseline
Okay.
थोड़ा और funky हो सकता था, थोड़ा
Wow.
kick. There, I have that kind of following who are musically very strong listeners.
Yeah.
So lot of
चलता है.
constructive criticism happens. But
हाँ.
मैं आर के लिए सबने पहले ना बोला था कि बहुत dated है, बहुत ये है. Luckily, Imran Hashmi and Bhushan Kumar liked it,
हाँ.
and the rest with that song is history.
History
It's
now.
one
Yeah.
of my best. I feel I've not made a composition better than that, and it's a
Yeah.
non-song. People still tell me कि आपकी वो picture क्यों नहीं आई अब तक, मैं रहो या ना रहो.
But
तो
that's such a great feedback, right, for an artist to receive, that people end up loving your song so much that they just can't get over it.
it's beautiful, man. I feel Arman and I both.
Uh-huh.
Like, I always say this, and I love to say this, even if it's sounding stupid at times. But if DJ Khalid says we the best music, Amal Malik and Arman Malik can say we the blessed music. You know,
Oh.
we have the support and love of million young hearts, and through them, you know, we have managed to reach out to their parents, their dadis, nanis, chachis, whoever. Arman is
Yeah.
the drop of, you know, these things.
Uh-huh.
But I'm very grateful to these young kids who have made my music reach to their parents' generation, grandparents. Everyone celebrates my music
Yeah.
in such a beautiful way, and just happy, man. Very blessed.
You know what, if I have to ask you to name, let's say, 3 songs at the top of your mind right now,
Yeah.
which are very retro Bollywood Hindi music, Hindi film music.
Retro which era? अभी तो 20 साल पहले भी retro मानने
हाँ, वो
लगे.
भी है, वो भी है. Let's go back to let's say the 70s and the 60s wala era. Okay. Hindi. Okay. And 3 songs that will always remain close to your heart. Which one would those be?
I think I would not know exact specific which 70s or 80s hai, but if you say like the whole from you know, the era of 60s to 90s, क्या अगर the whole thing.
Uh-huh.
So, you know, my Dadi's elder brother, Hasrat Jaipuri Saab, written one song, Ehsan Tera.
Oh Lord, that song.
One that, then maybe a generation ahead, little bit, maybe जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मुकाम. Then I would say there's so many, man. They did such great work.
है ना?
A lot of R.D. Burman sir's music inspires me also.
Uh-huh.
And वो एक गाना था, कहीं दूर जब दिन जाए दा 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 बदन
चुराए.
कैसे आए. You know, I can't specify any R.D. Burman song because I love all his music.
Mhm.
But these are certain, like some Salil Chaudhary songs, some Madan Mohan Ji songs. Bappi Lahiri sir's, you know, when he came with even which is that song, Pyar Kabhi Kam Nahi Karna. Immortal, man. Like melodies,
It's crazy.
that, because I think that is the need of today. You know, we have a lot of dance tracks, so I'm not
Yeah.
going to Tamma Tammas and all that, you know, even Annu Uncle's music, but this kind of maestro work, you know, and then the era of Jatin Lalit and Nadeem Shravan and Anu Malik, all of that music I feel is within me. And the last few, I would say, the last of the Mohicans who created the greatest hits would be Pritam Da, Vishal Shekhar, Salim Suleiman,
Sure.
Amit Trivedi, and along with someone who's just in the air and who's the legend of this whole industry, who made us stand up and be on the world map, Rahman sir. So I would say the last few who did, you know, great work and kept the music of the 2000s also pretty till maybe like, and the last great album I'd say would be Ye Jawani Diwani and Ashiki.
Yeah.
After that, slowly, steadily, we have not managed quite well.
Mhm.
But I think if we just look back and see all the golden work that's happened and not inspire ourselves to take it same to same which we're doing, but get inspired from the effort and create good original music, I don't think people will be able to say that Indian music is in bad hands.
That's true. That's very true. There was a recent song that you released, तू मेरा नहीं, मतलब ऐसे कैसे कर लेते हो, ऐसे दिल कैसे छू लेते हो सर आप? Let's ask you the typical ऐसे सनसनी वे में, सर आप दिल कैसे छू लेते हो?
सब लोग ने बोला था ब्रो दिवाली है, ऐसा गाना डालना है, श्योर है, सब पार्टी मूड में आ गए वापस. मतलब देख चलेगा, मैं जो हूँ और मेरे जैसा, it's for my fans. I'm not doing it. This particular, the first one,
Uh-huh.
is because they have waited 3 years. So I was like, I cannot make this next year now. Kuch
Huh.
bhi ho. And Sony was really, really kind. And,
Uh-huh.
you know, in lockdown, they worked so hard and created budgets and dynamics to work so beautifully. We could go to Dubai, create this larger than life video, which looks like a movie of 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Compared to many other things, everyone today is down due to COVID and budgets are down. But they took that leap of faith. You know, I didn't have that. I was not sure कि ये कर पाएंगे कि नहीं. यानी will they believe that I am alone now in the video? You know, not like without disrespecting कि side में नहीं है कहीं piano बजा रहा और main hero कोई और है. You know,
Yeah. Yeah.
that leap of faith for a label to take, make this expense, take that risk, I would like to give them like a huge round of applause and you know, respect to let me do what I wanted to do. I have visually shown a song which describes me,
Mhm.
and it's from a chapter of my life, and it's true. It's happened to me. I've lost friends. I've lost a relationship on due to maybe not being able to keep time and not coming for Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday brunches. क्योंकि मैं म्यूजिक में जो मेरा ऑब्सेशन आपको दिख रहा है वीडियो में, वैसा ही हूँ मैं. कोई आके ऐसे टैप कर देता है, लाइक ब्रो क्या कर रहा है, मैं कॉर्ड बजा रहा हूँ. These kind, I've shown me as me. So I wanted my fans who anyway are so close to me, and they're now Indian fans, their family, they should feel like we know him.
Yeah.
We know him. He's just this. This is
Yeah.
all we need to know about him, and nothing more, nothing less.
Yeah.
And बाकी लोगों के लिए डिस्क्लेमर है कि भाई म्यूजिक के साथ इतना अटैचमेंट है. If you get his madness to his music, then only you can make inroads into this human being's life.
Yeah.
So it is beautifully showing also a message, you know, कि give that little space to human beings where we've all gone through a very shitty year, very difficult year.
That's true.
Let people breathe. Everyone wants to make that effort कि हमें अभी शुरू हो गया, चलो काम करते, ये करते, सबसे वापस वही. Everyone, all the humans are coming back to that normal behavior.
Yeah.
We can't expect. We've changed, man. This lockdown, this
It's
thing,
changed all of us so
it's
much.
the reset button. It changed us. We got to learn to be with ourselves and know कि what we are पहले, and then start expecting from, you know, people or each other. I don't think it's easy, you know, to be the same after this lockdown. Every human being has changed. It's been a reset on all industries. Mother Nature has shown us the power of, you know, all these things.
Yeah.
Everyone's turned inwards. The music is also changing. You're seeing independent music picking up. Natural, good melodies are reaching out. The recreations are slowly getting lesser. A good one will always reach out. A bad one won't, you know. If it's done respectfully as a tribute, great. But the volume is something I've always said about a problem. So I moved out 2 years ago from this.
Yeah.
I left about 16, 17 films, jumped to Saina Nehwal, took one film, worked on it for 3 years, never done that. And it'll come soon, and I hope that's also accepted. But that decision that the artist or any human being, we're just over expecting from human beings. We got to let everyone be, find themselves, find their soul, find their soil again, their grain, their fertility in their hearts, and then come back. And for that, music is helping human beings. I'm seeing my songs, Zara Thero, Dil Ko Maine Di Kasam, which I put in the lockdown, now Tu Mera Nahi, which is my debut. People are saying it's healing us. Thank you for this.
Yeah.
So I am here for a greater good, I feel. And I'm happy कि मैं उस debauchery of music में नहीं कहीं मेरा नाम ज्यादा रहेगा कि मेरा 80th release है. 80th song of my career in 5 years is Tu Mera Nahi. There might be 7, 8 recreations, which no one has bashed. It's been done very legitimately, crediting the original composer and giving it as a tribute. And people love me for my original music. So I didn't want to get spent, you know. I felt that it's the best time to put out what's me. And it's like Amal Malik of the age of 30 is completing the 15-year-old Amal Malik's dream. So that boy dreamt of this 15 years ago, but he had to take the film route, complete his father's dreams, make some successful songs. His brother is now a superstar internationally, EMA and everything. So I feel life NPNL ho gayi, you know, मैं कहीं no profit, no loss पे आ गया हूँ. And from here, and I always like, you know, there's this race to be number one. I don't want to say all those things, you know. It's okay. I love it. My songs come, they always hit top charts, hit the numero uno position every year. But I want to be zero. I want to be someone who comes after the number one and adds value to that number. I want to be that for a
Very
film,
well said, man.
for my audience. I'm okay. Zero की वैल्यू सबसे ज्यादा, वो एक दो के आगे लगता है तो वो numbers की वैल्यू बढ़ती है.
That's
तो
true.
I'm not here to prove a point even कि मैं बहुत अच्छा सिंगर हूँ या मैं बहुत तोड़ू एक्टर हूँ या ये हूँ वो हूँ. No, I am just simple कि मेरा दिल का जो म्यूजिक है जो कभी कभी फिल्म्स में नहीं कर सकते, जो कभी कभी certain people don't want to easily put money on or promote. I found that family with Sony and they have let me do everything that my heart wanted. I can't be more grateful, man. Sorry I spoke
Superb.
up. But
No, but that's great. It feels like you literally opened up, and that's great because that was where my next question came from.
yeah,
That it's one thing that you are behind the mic and you're singing a song, okay, and it's another to be the face of the same song that you sang,
I'm,
because when you're singing a song, okay, and I've always said this before, that just as an actor adds emotion to his act, okay,
yeah,
a singer adds emotion to his songs, okay.
yeah,
And what better, right, when you get to be the face of your own song, because then you know the kind of emotion you added when you were singing it, and
yeah.
you recreate that on screen. What was it like for you to be a part of that?
So for me ना, Shravan, I feel कि मैं एक्टर तो हुई नहीं और ना
Mhm,
ही मैं म्यूजिक वीडियो से आगे मेरे को ये कोई जर्नी ले जानी एक्टिंग की.
mhm.
I just wanted to play myself and I played myself in the most simplest way. Like I took a little bit of, I can you see me? Sorry.
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
मेरा इंटरनेट गाली पड़. मैं बोल रहा हूँ I felt that I had to do something which was so me that I cannot cheat my family or fans of and show an image or play a character that I'm not. And
Yeah.
I've not taken that training. Hemant Kher, who's in the 1992 scam, who's playing Ashwin,
Uh-huh.
Harshad Mehta's character,
Yeah.
he trained for Saregama and got me little camera friendly, and I was judging with
Uh-huh.
Shan. So that was the place where with such legends, मेरे को भी थोड़ा nervous हो रहा था, कि I to speak from my heart, but is it allowed? Can I do it? So I was like, see, I told the channel, so I said, you're taking a risk. Be sure because I'm going to my heart. But just things like walk, coming on stage, being free with the camera was what I learned from him. Then
Uh-huh.
I sent him the script and I said, sir, I need training in this. He said, this is to just you. He's like, don't train, just be you, because what script you sent to me, it looks like you're going to just be playing yourself. So just apna karo. And I've done that. And it was tough. And I've realized that acting's no piece of cake. And मैं focus कर रहा हूँ, अच्छे से shot दे रहा हूँ, कभी कुछ एक hair आ गया wind से on the girl's face, वो problem है. हम लोग दोनों ने kill किया है, तो the gaffer, the focus puller, he's like, so we went out of focus. So I was like, हर चीज में तो प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कैसे करते हैं. मेरे को ये तो पता है कि मैं गाना बना रहा हूँ, तब मेरे को पता 100% नहीं 2000% दे रहा हूँ, एंड आई नो एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई एम लैकिंग नॉट डूइंग. हियर तो 2 दिन का शूट 4 दिन हो गया, एंड it was crazy, but it's also a special song because Arif Khan, the director, pulled out such a simple heartfelt performance from me.
Yeah.
And after that he's managed to somewhere keep it so real that it's impossible to look at me and say this is not Amal, this is Amal Malik, how he is, whatever he is. Maybe now personally I've hit 30, I'm becoming a newer me, but what you see there is me from 2 years back, maybe,
Okay.
where I made the song a year and a half ago. This was not composed in the lockdown, it was shot in the
Shot
lockdown.
in the lockdown. Okay.
So me 1.5, 2 years ago was exactly this.
Okay.
And slowly, steadily, life will find its way. But that madness and passion to music is what I wanted to show.
And you managed to showcase that.
Anyone who sees me should know that this guy is a pure musician. He's an artist. एक shot है, मेरा दोस्त है उसमें, Hashim, who's playing the engineer. He's also the creative producer. And he says one amazing, he says to, and I say, no, one more. Because of that one more in my life, I have lost out on family functions, on holidays, on everything. But I have no regret, because I'm here because of that one more. Because I went that extra round, that extra distance. And I'm here. Tu Mera Nahi for me is not a sad song. It's teaching people to, boss, if something is getting problematic, if it's getting toxic, wo dosti ho, rishtedari ho, relationship ho, give that little gap. And if it's meant to be, it will find a way. And let's not force it,
Yeah.
our country specifically, boys, I can say it for myself also, मैंने भी बहुत बार ये सोचा कि, and I put that in my song कि तू मेरा नहीं, क्यों मेरा नहीं? We always want that answer. Sometimes there's no answer.
Yeah.
But you have to, I'm not trying to promote her कि प्यार मत करो, धोखा ही होगा. मेरा गाना ही वो नहीं है. It's like give it all. But when you feel that someone, she's happy, man, now let that be. If even for a girl, like if you see, let each other's souls breathe, and maybe if they have to breathe into each other later, it will find its space.
Yeah.
That's a message I want to give everyone. Let go, but with the heart ki be hopeful, but don't force it. तू मेरा नहीं मान लो, और फिर अगर होना होगा, या तो आपकी एंडिंग मेरे जैसी होगी, जो जो मैंने खो दिया, या तो वैसी होगी कि वो वापस आ जाए. I had to play the ending of a loss because I had that concept where I wanted to lose, and because I've been there, and I've lost someone maybe who I loved many a time to such things. And so I didn't want to run away from that. जो है वैसा है, वैसा ही video है.
Very well said, man. And of course, I'm gonna. You know that this part is gonna come where I was gonna ask you to sing "Tu Mera Nahi," right?
Oh God, yes.
Can you do this? Let's do this.
I am on, because this is, guys, I'm all my little Amalians, big Amalians, medium-sized Amalians, and everyone, all of y'all in great packages of great hearts. Y'all have given so much love. Keep giving it, because I'm not doing any more non-film song for 3-4 months, okay? Film music को भी 1 महीना दूर है. Please don't ask me, भाईयू अगला गाना कब आएगा, और मैं फिर से लिखना लो soon, क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी सिर्फ तू मेरा नहीं है. इसके बाद obviously there will be Saina or whatever, but for now, the kind of love you've given to this song, I want to say thank you. Keep going, keep sending me your reactions, because I'm loving it, man. Like the way the song, it feels like I've had a cinematic release, a film release level.
Yeah.
And I have to thank everyone, all you guys who have, you're doing my interview, so many people, radios, the fans, all the streaming platforms, the love that it's getting on all these places. Everyone who's joined in, just thank you for the love. And I've done it only for love and to win hearts. And charts तो यानी मैं ऊपर नीचे तो वो तो charts जिंदगी है, वो मैं इतना serious.
Let's do this.
चला गया मैं दूर, तूने भी रोका नहीं, दिल को दर्द ऐसा मिला जिसकी दवा नहीं, लड़ पड़ा लकीरों से पर कुछ भी हुआ नहीं, चलो ये मान भी लिया अब तू मेरा नहीं, क्यों मेरा नहीं. दूर जाने पे तेरे पास आता था मैं, रूठ जाने पे तेरे सर झुकाता था मैं, बिन तेरे जिंदगी का मैं क्या करूं, किस तरह मान लूं, तू मेरा मैं तेरा नहीं. And my most favorite line, thank you Rashmi Virag for this. मैं वहीं पे था मगर तूने ही देखा नहीं, तेरी खुशी को देख कर मैंने कुछ कहा नहीं, लड़ पड़ा लकीरों से पर कुछ भी हुआ नहीं, चलो ये मान भी लिया अब तू मेरा नहीं, तू मेरा नहीं.
Whoa!
Thank
I have to say this, that when you sang it's like a state of trance I went into, because I it was so good, Amal.
The zone. I went all in. Thank you.
But thank you so much for doing this, Amal, and I cannot thank you enough for doing this. Congratulations on the success
I
of this song.
I have to tell everyone that my first very initial, I have a picture. Me and Tiger were with Malini when she was interviewing us for the first time. Two babies in a way, and I have spikes and little hair, and wearing those doctor sleeves and all. So I would like to say, she and all this whole team of Miss Malini, all you guys, every review, honest, and the way good music you all have supported and always spoken about my work so well. And just thank you, man. And the support for this thing
Always,
feels great.
always.
I hope I can always do good work, which y'all can remember, and
For sure,
um,
for sure.
that's all the aim is.
For sure, Amal. Thank you so much for doing this, and
Thank,
congratulations on the success of the song. And I hope I get
thank
to do this super soon yet again. And then
again.
please take care of yourself, man.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Shravan.
always. Bye
Love you,
bye.
bro.
Take care, man. Bye. Take care.